This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set cruise control in your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, find the cruise control buttons, typically on the right side of your steering wheel. Press the on/off button to power up the system. You will see a green indicator light appear on your instrument panel, confirming that the system is ready for use. This initial step prepares your vehicle for a relaxed driving experience. Once the system is active, accelerate your Outlander to the speed you wish to maintain. For example, if you want to cruise at 65 miles per hour, reach that speed. Then, simply press the Set button on your steering wheel. Your vehicle will now automatically maintain this speed, and you will see the set speed displayed clearly on your dashboard's multi-information screen. You can easily adjust your speed while cruise control is active. To increase your speed, press the Res Plus button. Each press typically increases your speed by 1 mile per hour. To decrease, press the Set button. If you brake, the system will disengage. To resume your last set speed, simply press the Res Plus button again, and your Outlander will accelerate back to that speed. There are a few ways to disengage cruise control. You can press the Cancel button on your steering wheel for a temporary pause, or simply tap the brake pedal, which also disengages the system. To completely turn off cruise control, press the on/off button again. This ensures the system is fully deactivated, giving you complete manual control of your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.